It's on?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Action. Okay, ladies. Now, when we say color Doppler, that is going to be your color flow, right? Okay. How do we do that? There's a button that says ZF. It means stands for color flow. Now, we made this okay. Press that. That's going to turn the function on. Okay. One thing to recalculate, there's a lot of things that we can do here, but probably the one we want to be is okay focus on now is going to be our color map. Okay, and we can choose that mainly is okay in this system here is okay from our touchscreen where it says map. And go up and down. Okay. Now some of these color maps may be just like this. Okay. Here we have colors on the top that they change in this flat from top to bottom. Okay. Another kind of color map that we may have is that that's going to be okay, change of color from top to bottom, but also from right to left, or from left to right. Okay, the first is okay, 10 maps here from V0 to V9 are regular velocity maps, which means okay, well, primary is okay, just give you the velocity, how fast or slow, and direction. These last four maps here, which is going to is okay, be marked as VV, and then a number 0, 1, 2, 3. Are what we call variance maps. So here you can see it's okay. This is the pattern for this map. This is the pattern for this map. This is the pattern for this map and this map. So what we see is that not only is there a change from color from top to bottom, but also change of color from right to left or left to right. Okay. So what this map is going to give us, besides velocity, which is traveling in this direction at this much speed, is that it's also going to give us a clue or it's okay info about the flow pattern. Whereas the flow is what we can call smooth. Okay, or where is going to be as okay a turbulent flow, right? Okay, so that's mainly as okay information that we'll get from that. Okay. Now, what a turbulent flow mainly is going to tell us is that there is going to be as okay some sort of obstruction in the flow of your blood. That's going to lead to okay that blood that mainly is also flowing smoothly. Let's say it's okay at whatever speed, okay, but that smoothness is going to go from being smooth to turbulent. Okay. So turbulence mainly is okay will indicate some sort of narrowing or I won't say obstruction, but it's okay mean it's okay stenosis to the blood vessel. So one big thing that you will come across in ultrasound physics, and we'll have to carry on into vascular, is going to be stenosis. That's pretty much okay one of the major reasons for why is okay you will be doing vascular ultrasounds. Okay, so that's going to be the flow pattern. Okay, so that means okay the difference between regular velocity maps versus variance maps. Okay, so these last four here are variance maps, which only also give us velocity and flow pattern. That is what we call laminar, which is smooth, or turbulent. Okay. Now, Okay. Let's just go back to the maps. Now, a couple of things that you may see is, okay, here is going to be a number, okay? And right now, don't worry about the minus and plus. That's going to be, we talk about that in Doppler. What does it mean to be minus velocity? What does it mean to be positive velocity? But you may see that here, it's okay, the numbers are equal, 23, 23. Right, okay. You also see that, okay, as one part of, so this part of the map here, mean it's okay, will be a positive Doppler shift. This part of the map here will indicate a negative Doppler shift. But the numbers are equal. So here we may, okay, go from 20, 23, we can say, okay, lower, 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 lower. Ultimately, 0. Okay. So have you seen a blood vessel